Bank came out with its numbers. Of all the public sector banks, that's the one that's marginally outperforming. Let's invite Arun Srivastava, the Managing Director and CEO of Syndicate Bank. Mr. Srivastava, good morning. Thanks a lot for joining us. Can you first take us through the asset quality? How much were the fresh slippages? On the face of it, the GNPLs were not too bad compared to the previous quarter. Can you tell us what were the fresh slippages? And if you sold any loans to ARC?
Slippages during the current quarter were 1,362 crores. And as compared to the last quarter, it was less by 675 crores. The last quarter slippages were 1,990 crores. And we have not sold any asset to ARC during the current quarter.
And how much did you restructure in the 520? Okay, in the press conference you spoke about slippages. Do you expect the slippages to be worse in the second half?
The slippages were definitely broad-based. They were right from agriculture to corporate and medium-term industry, mid-corporates as well. Some of them were in the real estate as well. So, and as of the coming quarter also, because we have seen a normal fall in the slippages from the restructured book around 2% or so. So my gut feeling says that probably we may be able to contain the slippages from the current slippages, say 1,300 we had.
Yeah.
So it will be less than that in the coming quarters as well.
So how many loans restructured under the 525 route this quarter, and from which sector, if you can tell us?
Only one.
Okay. Any more in the pipeline?
Pipeline, as of now, I have not received any proposal so far. But as and when it comes, we will examine it on the merits.
Okay, the most important issue for everyone is the non-performing asset situation. Do you see your own gross NPLs lower by the end of the year?
It should be. My endeavor would be to keep it at least to this level at least.
Okay, can you give us some color on the credit growth, how much it was, and what may you end the year with in terms of loan growth?
This quarter, if you see on the overall numbers, the credit growth has been flat. But only thing, we have rejigged our portfolio, that our retail and MSME has picked up, whereas our corporate book we have shed some of the the low cost corporate book advances, and that is how it remains flat. Whereas the credit growth has been there, it has been in the segment of MSME, it has been in housing loan, it has been in the vehicle loan sector. There has been a growth. And by the year end, my growth target, I don't put it beyond 10%.
Okay. Your domestic NIMs, net interest margins, were slightly lower year on year. Do you think you can maintain it at current levels?
You see, the margins will definitely come down because of the reduction in the base rate we have. But at the same time, I expect that a part of that to be recouped from our portfolio of retail and MSME, where the margins are high as compared to the corporate book.
Okay, the bank currently has about 3,500 branches, and it opened 50 this quarter. What are the plans on branch addition, especially in the context of increasing competition in the sector? Are you going to be aggressive in your own branch addition?
Right now, as on date, we have opened about 150 branches. Okay. We had earlier, a year back, a plan that we will having branches, about 300 branches. But right now, looking to the overall environment, we'll have a relook on the places where we need to open the branches. And probably we will open up another 100 branches or so, definitely by the quarter ended March.
You know, the government might look to increase the FDI or FII cap to 49% in PSU banks. Your thoughts on how much interest a bank like Syndicate Bank and the entire PSU banking space could see because of this?
This probably the government, somebody would be able to answer it more appropriately.
All right, we'll leave it at that, Mr. Srivastava. Thank you very much for joining us. Syndicate was one of those banks that did not show an increase in its GNPLs by any significant amount. As a percentage of the book, it remained at 3.7%, so that was the positive. Slippages, according to the, slippages are high at 1,000 crores, but expectation, according to the management, is that it will not be worse in the second half. So Syndicate gets a green tick. It has been one of the outperforming stocks in the PSU banking space. Now, let's come back to the markets. After the first hour of trading, at least the bottom seems to be protected at this point in time. At 8140 levels, the market appears to have seen some buying, as you can